Today we're going to look at the AKASO Brave 7 action camera. Just comparing it to a dash cam that I already have, the Inov K5. They both have the same specs, 4K, 30 frames per second. I have them mounted to the handlebars of a dual sport motorcycle. The AKASO has an internal mounted microphone, where the Inov has an external microphone. You can add a external to the AKASO if you want to. But there's definitely a big difference in the sound. I'll show you right now. Sound quality is so bad that it's just annoying. The other problem is as soon as it gets a little bit of vibration from the motor, it gets very jumpy. Where the dash cam gets a little wavy, but it's tolerable. Picture quality is okay. I mean, you think with the stats that they have being the same, it'd be just as good, but as you can see, the dash cam on the right's a little bit better. The color on the AKASO is not quite as rich as the other camera. So the only reason I'm comparing this to a dash cam is this is just what I had. The AKASO is about $150, and by the time you add an external microphone and motorcycle kit for mounting, you're probably almost up to $200, where the dash cam is about $460, and it just comes with everything. The image stabilization on the AKASO appears to be a little bit better. It kind of gives you that floating feel, like you're kind of like if you had the camera mounted to a helmet. The AKASO seems to do a better job in direct sunlight. The dash cam seems to have a lot of glare. I even put a little visor on it to try to stop that. As soon as you turn away from the sun, you can see the dash cam has a much better picture. They both seem to adjust well to going in and out of the shadows. Right here you can see where the AKASO gets really jerky. It just does not handle vibration very well at all. So here's some full screen action on the AKASO, just so you can see it in its entirety. It does take reasonably good still photographs, has a 20 megapixel camera, and you can also use the remote to take the pictures and switch from video to stills. And now we'll finish up with the Dashcam, the NO of K5, just so you can see the differences.